Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to farm gold in Tower Defense Simulator. To begin, focus on establishing a strong economic foundation from the very first wave. Understanding which towers provide the best return on investment is crucial for sustained growth. We'll cover optimal placement strategies to ensure your defenses are robust while your gold income steadily increases. This approach sets you up for success in later stages. For the early game, your primary objective is to get farms down and upgraded. Place your first farm as soon as you have enough starting cash. Prioritize upgrading this farm to level 2. This significantly boosts your income per wave. While building your economy, use inexpensive defensive towers like scouts or soldiers to handle the initial waves without overspending. This balance ensures you don't lose while building your gold reserves. As you progress into the mid-game, your focus shifts to maximizing your farm output. Ensure all your farms are upgraded to their highest level to generate the most gold possible. At this stage, you'll also need to start introducing more robust defensive towers to handle tougher enemies. It's a delicate balance. Keep investing in your economy, but don't neglect your defenses. Smart upgrades will keep you safe and rich. In the late game, once your defenses are strong enough, you can start selling off your farms. This provides a massive influx of cash, which you should then invest into powerful, high-damage towers specifically designed to take down boss enemies. This final push ensures victory. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.